Hello, hello, family. So it's Friday and we're at Miniature Golf in Randburg. Nina is on holiday break for an entire month. So we are out in these streets during the day trying to find fun things to do. And this is one of Rich's and Nina's favorite things.
Oh, it doesn't, baby.
Next up is lunch at a place we've never been to in Craig Hall Park. The food was good and the ambiance was nice.
Thank you.
And this is Rich grabbing some footage of the beautiful Friday evening sunset. So it's Saturday, and we are at the Monte Casino in Four Ways because they are having a Greek festival. I came across this event on What's Going On in Joburg. We haven't been to Monte Casino in a while, and we thought this was a good reason to come and visit. This particular event, I assumed was going to be in this area of the casino, but to my wonderful surprise, they have a whole separate area behind here, which is where the actual festival was being held at. We walked over and realized that we wanted to sit down and eat as opposed to going to individual little stands. So we went to go check it out. That's what Rich is asking the gentleman about where the location was, because I honestly thought it was going to be in this courtyard, but we decided to get something to eat first at this Italian place that we haven't been to before, and the food was actually really good. I got a delicious lasagna. Jeez.
I see. Don't stare at it. Might hurt your eyes.
Okay, where are you running to, Nina? Look at that sunset.
What I was surprised to learn from a very good friend of ours is that South Africa has a pretty decent size Portuguese and Greek population. So I was completely surprised and blown away by the turnout for this event. And yeah, I definitely appreciate South Africa's ability to embrace other cultures and let them celebrate their culture and not have it be a hostile environment. I know in the States, whenever there is a particular celebration of a particular demographic, it's usually surrounded by a lot of law enforcement, but this was a very mellow, chill vibe. And I think everybody that attended definitely had a good time. I know Nina had a really fun time. We dropped her off at the little kids area and decided to do a loop around the event. And yeah, just completely surprised by how many people were here.
Too long, too long. Now let me tell you one more time. Tonight big one. Somebody know the big one of the song. Here we go. Here we go. Thank you very much. Myself, Constantano. Mix it up.
God. This is terrible.
So it is Sunday Fun Day, and we are at the Wilds Nature Reserve. Rich and I have been talking about finding hiking trails for the last 19 months. So this came up as an option for a place that's fairly close to the house and a location that we thought Nina would enjoy as well. This is beautiful.
Hedgehogs on their back tails spiky. We're the African rabbit.
This is beautiful. My God.
I gotta look over there. Look over there too. And I look
This is
over
so
there.
nice.
Let's see. Is that a path that goes up?
Look at this. I mean, this is stunning.
Well, I wanna go upstairs.
You want to go the higher path? Let's see where that goes. Yeah, honestly. So it looks like it goes up the hill somewhere.
Daddy,
Sorry.
look on that song.
Could have came here, had a picnic.
Daddy. Can you see that block? Where? There was one down here.
I'm not running. You can run.
You can run.
Oh, we will be back here, my guy, with chairs, blankets. This is so beautiful.
We could come here to just walk around.
Yeah, I mean, this is gorgeous. What a little gem. Are you sure this ain't the zoo? This is beautiful. Mommy, get a picture of you next to the giraffe. You can take your hat off, Nina. It's not a lot of sun out. Or you can leave it on. Mommy carry it in case it gets really warm. Okay, you want to go by there or no?
We went in there and taking a picture.
Okay.
Okay, they are done. I want
Okay.
to be ready for my
Okay.
thing.
Okay.
No!
All right. Oh, Nina, wait.
Family, so I am going to take this opportunity to just chat about what we've been up to the last month and a half while we walk through this beautiful nature reserve. So I want to apologize by saying I know we haven't posted in quite some time, but I have to admit that we've definitely got stuck in a routine of just living our daily lives and doing a lot of things that we've already done, or hosting friends or visiting friends, or just going to places we've been to before and share with you guys. So I felt like you would not be remotely interested in seeing these activities. So that's why we've been MIA. So my apologies. What I have realized over the last month and a half is, as much as I enjoy hanging out with friends and, kind of getting in a routine of being here, I definitely miss exploring Johannesburg. Nina is on her first term break for April, and I thought we were going to go out of town for a few days or for an extended amount of time, but we decided just to hang around Johannesburg and try to find things we haven't done before, or just explore the surrounding areas to find something new and different. And I have to say that we've done a couple things over the last month that have been new to us, and I definitely miss the feeling of discovering new parts of Johannesburg. So I think after this little bit of a break, I realized that we definitely still need to treat this beautiful country like we just arrived here, and we need to continue exploring and discovering new things, because the last couple weekends have been really, really nice, just getting back out there and just doing new and fun different things. So hopefully moving forward, I will be able to share with you just some of the things that we participate in and attend, and hopefully you enjoy it as much as we do. I appreciate all the comments and the check-ins, because we initially started this channel just to share our experience of moving to Johannesburg and trying to counter the narrative of what this beautiful country is actually like and the people. And in spite of all that's been happening internationally, I definitely wish I had a bullhorn to share what our experience has been since being here, and what we witness and how we see the people, the South Africans and the Afrikaners and the colors, how they all live and coexist. And it definitely is in contrast to what the media portrays. So even though Rich and I haven't done our quick chats recently, we definitely are aware of all the propaganda and stuff that's being shown and talked about this country, and our experience has been completely different from that. And we've actually had some American friends reach out to us to make sure we're okay, which I thought was pretty funny because we are more than okay. And I honestly would not want to be anywhere else on this planet at this current political time than South Africa. So, so that's what we've been up to. We're going to get back into, just doing fun and hopefully new and different things on the weekends and sharing that with you guys.
My people, open your eyes and answer the call of the drum. Frelimo, Frelimo, Samora Machine, Samora Machine has come. Maputo, home of the brave, our nation will soon be as one. Frelimo, Samora Machel has one. And to those who have given their lives, praises to thee, husbands and wives, all thy children shall reap what you've sown. This continent is a home. My brothers and sisters,
Declan's ever been here.
It's
so beautiful.
Your eternal flame has shown us the light of dawn. Mozambique, a luta continua, a
So as I mentioned, this was such a beautiful walk. I think it was about 1.5 miles from front to end. This is us having a movie night watching Moana 2, which I have to say I enjoyed immensely. Family, so we are headed over to Acrobranch in Melrose Arch. Now, this little activity started out with being something for Nina to do, but it's turned into a family affair. The last time we came, Rich and Nina participated. This time, I'm going to participate, and I'm really excited. I got my game face on. I'm ready to tackle this adventure. However, it was a little busier than we thought it would be. I'm assuming because it was a holiday is why it was busy on a Monday, but here we are. I hope you enjoy the video. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this.
Come on, sweetheart. Follow Daddy.
Following Daddy.
Okay, don't step in the mud. Over here.
Let's get that close up. Yeah, you gotta wait, sweetheart. Nina, wait. Okay, wait for me, sweetheart. You are getting far. Hey, wait for me over there, okay? I see. Hey, sweetheart, you need to wait for me, okay? It's just a shadow. Uh-huh.
Put a spongy. Wait.
You better leave her alone.
I just showed my daddy.
Jesus. You can't start at red and not complete green. Good job, baby.
Daddy, look.
You want to get me filmed, get rescue? I'm filming all this. Oh, Daddy did it.
You face this way and go side.
Good job. Good job, sweetheart.